In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney. So, first of all, there are three main commands. I'll talk to you about all of them. So first of all, we want to do /imagine. From /imagine, you can put a prompt in here. So you can write anything that you want to. I'm going to put this prompt in here. Now, a prompt is basically you just telling it to do something. And you can really write anything here. So you could write donuts, city skyline with plane over the top of it, glass of water in the sun. You can really write anything in here, and the more keywords you use, the more specific it's going to be and the better the results are going to be. Now as I hit enter, you can see it started to generate these. So while it does this, I'm going to teach you about the other commands. So /describe. With /describe, you can upload an image and it's going to describe the image. So let's say we want to describe these. And /describe is really good if you want to find keywords to make specific images. So it's given me 4 different variations of what it thinks these are. What you can do is you can click on the one that is most accurate, let's say number 1, submit, and that's going to generate you 4 variations using this prompt. So that's pretty cool. Now, as you can see, the original thing that we made is just finished. And you can see that these are pretty cool. From the prompt we gave it, these have made some pretty cool things. Now, let's say that you really like number 1 and you want to upscale it. Press U1, and what that's going to do is going to up-res it into high quality by itself, and it will do this very quickly. You see, boom, it's done. From here, you can right-click it, you can copy image, or you can save image, whatever you'd like to do. Now, let's say you like number 1, but you want it to make some changes. You can go to V1, and that's going to create variations of the first one. So maybe it's going to change the fire, or it's going to add a plane in it, or it's going to change some of the characters or their guns, something like that. That's what V1's going to do. So you can see it's created 4 variations of that image. Now, we'll just wait and it's going to do its thing. And as we wait for that, you can see that the one we did /describe on has almost finished, and now it's finished. You can see what it's done here is it's created lots of different game assets, similar to the ones that we asked it to make. And again, you can upscale one that you like, you can create variations, or you can redo them. Now, the different variations that I've want are just done. So you can see here the cars have changed, so the guns, the characters. You can see here they've added more trees, they've added more characters. It's just a few variations. Now from here you can upscale it, you can upscale one, or you can create more variations. Now it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 for those that are wondering. You can also press here and it's going to regenerate the whole thing. Now finally, the last command is /blend. This is going to blend 2 images. So let's say we want to add this Mario background with this GTA characters. You're going to hit enter, and that is going to blend these 2 images together, which is pretty cool. Now, while this is doing it, I'm going to show you some more capabilities of /imagine. So, what you can do is you can send an image into here. So, this guy here, I've sent this to the bot. Now I can click on it, I can copy link. Now I can go /imagine, and I can imagine something using that image. So /imagine in a busy park on a sunny day. And that's going to imagine this image in a busy park on a sunny day. And we'll wait for that and see what it generates. Now, for the blend option that we created, we can see here it's actually blending, and it's doing a good job of this. It's blending GTA with Mario, and it's actually creating some pretty cool images here, as you can see. And you can see it's finished, and this is really unique, really cool. And again, we can upscale or create variations. Now this guy here is being generated as we speak. And while this does that, I'm going to show you a site which is really useful. This site is called PromptBase, and you can sell prompts on here, but you can also buy them. So go to Midjourney on the left, and this is going to give you tons and tons of different types of images that have been made with Midjourney prompts. So let's say you want to make some Star Wars flares like this. These are pretty cool. If you want to make images that are looking like this, you can buy this prompt for $2.99. And then what it's going to do is it's going to give you the keywords to generate stuff like this. They'll also give you instructions to customize it. So if you want to put Yoda in it, they'll tell you how to do that. If you want to put R2D2 onto it, they'll tell you how to do that. If you want to make the background like this, they'll say how, or like this, they'll also say how. And you can also mix and match these keywords with other prompts to get blended and unique artworks. So yeah, I'm going to go back onto this now. And you can see it's taken the image of this guy that we uploaded. Where is he? Here it's taken him and it's put him into a busy park on a sunny day. Now this is not going to be perfect. Like you can see the image is not identical, but it's done a pretty good job and it's pretty useful in certain situations. Now I'd recommend fiddling around with this. There's so much you can do with it. You can make so much money with it. And you can also save yourself so much time. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.